Welcome to Citizen Machinery Asia. For over 2 decades, we've been working in the business of CNC automatic lathe under the Citizen Machinery Group. Citizen Machinery Asia, founded in 2001, now stands at the world leading of CNC automatic lathe in the world under the Syncom brand.
私たちシチズンマシナリーアジアは日本に本社があるシチズンマシナリー株式会社 100% 出資の子会社として2001年に創業を開始しました。主力製品である CNC 自動板の製造・販売・サービスを行っています。自動旋盤のリーディングカンパニーとして ASEAN 地域だけではなく全世界の製造業に貢献していきます。
Our factory has located at Ayutthaya, Thailand, which we have the potential to produce more than 2,500 Syncom machines per year, with highly skilled staff, as well as the use of measuring tools and modern production technology in every process. In addition to the modern manufacturing processes, there is the ASEAN Solution Center, which is technical support and after-sales service, including the test cut, to meet the needs of customers both domestically and internationally. And also NC School for training customers how to use the machine efficiently to make them trust and order machines from our company. For the production process, we strive and attend to quality control to standardize every process under modern technology, including the inspection process with measuring tools, assembly process and painting process. For this reason, so we can produce Syncom machines which its quality meets the customer requirements. During our operation, we are committed to encouraging the potential and the importance of human in the organization. Because we recognize that human is essential resources to obtain achievement of company mission. We work under QCDT core value, which consists of quality mind, continuous development, discipline, teamwork and trust. Moreover, we adhere to the conduct of the Citizen Group through CSR activities to enhance and improve the quality of life for people in society, to take part in internal and external organizations for sustainable social development. Today, Citizen Machinery Asia Company Limited, we have developed and improved production standards under the vision to achieve the world's leading manufacturer for CNC automatic lathe machine.